In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a sheet in Smartsheet. Duplicating a sheet is really useful when you already have a project set up the way you like it, and you want to reuse that same structure without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you have a standard project template or a recurring process you run every month. Once you know how to duplicate a sheet, creating a new copy becomes a quick, reliable routine. Start by opening your browser and going to Smartsheet. Sign in if you're not already logged in, and then navigate to the sheet you want to duplicate. In this example, we'll assume you're on a project sheet, but the steps are the same for most types of sheets. Make sure the sheet is fully loaded and you're looking at it in the main grid or your preferred view. Now, look toward the top of the screen near the sheet's name. You're going to click on the main sheet menu area that's highlighted in the guide. This is usually located right next to the sheet title and gives you access to actions like saving, sharing, and in our case, duplicating. Go ahead and click that highlighted menu so that the options drop-down appears. Once the menu is open, find the option that's associated with managing or copying the sheet. In the visual guide, this is shown as another highlighted area in the drop-down. Click on that highlighted section to reveal more specific actions related to your sheet. From there, you'll see an option labeled Duplicate. This is the command that creates a copy of your current sheet, including its columns, formatting, and, depending on your settings, potentially some of the data. Click on Duplicate to start the duplication process. After you click Duplicate, Smartsheet may show you a confirmation or settings panel depending on your account and interface. In the guide, this final action is also highlighted. Confirm by clicking Duplicate again. Smartsheet will then create a new sheet based on the one you started from. Once the duplication is complete, you'll see your new sheet appear, often with the same name plus something like copy appended. At this point, it's a good idea to rename the new sheet to something meaningful so you can easily distinguish it from the original. You can also update dates, assignees, and any project-specific details, knowing that your layout and structure are already in place. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a sheet in Smartsheet and you're ready to reuse your setup for your next project or workflow.